Welcome to the session. Today, we'll explore how to ungroup elements from zipped arrays and apply a function to each set of grouped elements. This technique is useful in functional programming and data transformation tasks. Let's get started. In this problem, we need to take an array of grouped elements, extract them back into individual arrays, and apply a function to combine the grouped values meaningfully. This function first unzips the arrays into separate arrays based on their index position. Then, it applies a function to merge each group of values. The use of reduce and for each ensures efficiency in handling large data sets. The function first determines the longest subarray to allocate enough space. Then, it distributes elements into groups, ensuring each index position retains its corresponding values. Finally, we apply the function to process each set of grouped elements. Here, the function takes two sets of grouped elements and applies summation to each group. The final result contains the sum values from each original grouping. This technique is widely used in data processing, where values need to be extracted, regrouped, and analyzed efficiently. It is also useful in functional programming for applying transformations dynamically. In summary, we've explored how to efficiently ungroup zipped arrays and apply functions to grouped elements. This approach simplifies array manipulation in JavaScript and is useful in various real-world scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.